The definition of passive income is when you can sleep and still make money. Some say passive income is a myth, but the only way to get wealthy is to let your money work for you. Here are 4 of the easiest ways to build passive income. Number 1, investment properties. If you own property, you can let someone else live in it for a fee, commonly called rent. Rental prices generally go up with inflation. This means that as your costs go up, so does your rental income. Number 2, REIT investments. You can own real estate for as little as a few dollars when you purchase shares in REITs through your brokerage account. Real estate investment trusts are public companies that invest in rental properties, residential, commercial, industrial, etc. You can buy shares in these companies and collect high dividends from their rental income. Number 3, dividend stock investing. Owning stocks of publicly traded companies means you become a part owner of that company. Profitable and stable companies give their shareholders a predictable dividend every quarter. And when you choose different stocks with dividends, you can receive a dividend every month from these companies. And number 4, have a business. Businesses that utilize the energy and labor of others can truly become passive. If you sell a product or a service, you can hire employees and managers to automate the business once you get it running. It doesn't have to be complicated. These 4 sources of passive income can be scaled to unlimited amounts. You know you've truly made it when you can sleep and still make money. So what are your thoughts? Do you have any of these passive incomes right now? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.